Franchising will be familiar to you all. So, franchising means you already know about it, and this Desi Coupa is the best example of a franchisee. That is, they are actually purchasing a franchisee, and that is what is called as a franchisee. So, in this retail format, a businessman who owns the business and a company who offers business, a businessman can use the name of already well established business name to run their business under a certain condition set up from franchisor. So franchisor means the person who give franchise to the businessman. Suppose if a person named A is having a well designed business, or else if he is having a format, and this format is being given by A to B by keeping a certain set of conditions or by keeping a certain set of agreements, and that process of selling is being called as a franchisee. Okay, and next what we are having is a mom and pop stores. So mom and pop stores are the type of retail format which is a small independent family owned business. This type of store usually faces tough competition from big well established business who can lure customers to buy more with their heavy advertising and marketing methods. So the movement pop stores means it is actually a retail format of what kind? It is a very small, independent, and which is being owned by small families. And their main opponents will be large companies, like those companies who does large advertisements, and these people will be their main competitors or opponents. Okay. The next one and the last one is specialty stores. So, specialty stores are small in size and they generally offer limited product categories, but provides a high level of services. These specialty stores can be drugstore, DIY stores, category killers, etc. So, what we are having here is they will be having only a limited number of products, but still they will be providing a high service, and these kinds of special stores are actually called as specialty stores. The examples given is the drugstore, DIY stores, category killers, and they have told about such kind of examples. You could understand it. Even though they will be selling only small products, their service will definitely be high, and this is what we call as a specialty store. Okay, so this is what we are having in the common format of retail. Okay.
Avoda promise you a bright future. Learn now, pay after you land a job. Register now.